Another Reddit style one for you guys. Weigh in. How would you handle this? But this one is titled The Plant Thief. I envision this person somewhere in the States where it's warm, but who knows? So I was showing a house for my mentor and her client stole a plant, not even propagating, whole thing, root from the ground, stood about 3 feet tall and into her trunk it went. Called mentor on the way to the next house. Come to find out that's a standard for her. Usually she carries a shovel. She just forgot it this time, so she got her hands dirty. One time she stole a whole bush. My mentor calls the listing agent after each time and would pay for the ones the owners actually cared to have replaced.
Oh my God.
She showed her over 80 houses, went home with a new plant from just about everyone, and she's bought and then soon sold, not flipped, just fickle, like 5 houses with my mentor, so she let it slide and covered it on the back end. Anyways, I would have appreciated a heads up before I was made an accomplice.
Oh my gosh.
But c'est la vie, I reckon.
Wow.
Whoa. Holy.
It takes all kinds of people.
Yeah,
Right?
it sure does. Around. It
Wow.
sure does. Yeah.
That's a whole different ball game.
Like, I was like, okay, a few.
I thought
80?
Yeah.
And I was picturing like house
Me
plants.
too.
Yeah,
I
I
was
was like,
picturing
a
like little
little potted
like
plant you
staging
could, like-
stuff.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking, like staging succulents.
I'm
not
shoving
like-
a bush in the trunk? What are we doing?
Yeah.
Oh, this lady had sticky fingers and
Wow.
she was doing it. There was an update on this one too. It said, I think once upon a time she was a botanist. She would take my mentor outside at a lot of the houses and tell her about the plants, what's native, what's not. Some houses she'd just look around outside, hijack a plant and go, nah, I don't think like this house.
She's just in it for the plant.
That's what I was wondering.
Some
Yeah.
kind of
house.
She's
man.
bought what, 5?
But this says also we have no idea where she's taking these plants. My mentor never found but a handful planted at her own house.
Sounds like a serial killer.
Yeah.
Like she's planting
That's
them
how
at,
you
like,
start. Yeah.
Yeah,
crazy.
that's odd behavior
Very
for sure.
strange.
Oh.
Like, did they ever confront her and say, hey, cat, you shouldn't do this?
Yeah. That would be my gut.
Yeah.
Is to be like, I'm so sorry. Like, this isn't appropriate.
Sounds like the type that wouldn't really care.
Yeah, no, I don't think
Honest.
she's done it like
Going.
80 times.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think knowingly, I don't think I've ever had a client that I even suspected though of stealing.
No,
something.
I've never.
And even
No.
their children, like, sticky
No,
fingered
yeah.
children. But no, I've had lipstick be stolen from a house, like an open house before.
Yeah.
But
Lipstick?
yeah, so I think it was a kid in that case.
Yeah,
Like, it
for
was
sure.
like just a tube on something and it was gone. And the only reason she knew was because she thought she'd done a good job of dusting. And then there was like a very clear like circle where she remembered the tube having sat and it was just gone. But
For sure, kid, probably. That
I
in that
think
case,
so.
like,
yeah.
Does any adult want to steal somebody else's
Listen,
lipstick?
yeah.
Lipstick, yeah. But plants too, like that's like we have a listing coming up and it's an estate and the mother had like put together this beautiful garden so that it all blooms at different times. Daughters want to remove the plants, but in like a situation like that would have been devastating for them, right? Like you gotta be so careful.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna have in our contracts for that listing, like
Plants
you
to
allow the seller to come back.
We've had that
and
before.
dig
Yeah.
stuff
Yeah.
up.
I had people this
You've
last
had-
year
yeah.
that
Yeah.
just did it.
Want a specific tree or want a
Yeah.
but not stealing
But
it from
apparently you don't have
showings.
to ask sometimes, you just take. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
I'll
my
figure it out
gosh.
later.
I always find too, like on the buyer side of that, the buyers could care, like, oh, they want to take the whatever hydrangea, and
Yeah.
it's like they're like, great, like I didn't even know there was one there.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah, true.
That is a wild story though.
Mm-hmm.
can't say I could relate.
80 houses.
Would
Bought
they?
and sold 5, so she kept her on as a client.
I was gonna say, would they still be your client? And
No,
then
80
no.
plants. I would get expensive if you had to like replace even
depending on
half
what
of
they
them.
are, yeah.
I would.
Plants aren't cheap.
How many? I wonder how many she actually replaced. Like, I bet you if she told everyone.
But she's not
She did
buying
say-
these houses. Like she's
No, I know, but like the
showing them.
agent, if she reached out and said, "Hey, like I have this like crypto client that's stealing your plants, like I'm gonna replace it. I'm really sorry. Like how
Some
much
would
do I
just
owe
be
you?"
like,
I bet you like 70% of the agents, the sellers, are like, "Oh, whatever."
Yeah.
Like,
She
you
said,
know what
she
I
said
mean?
the agent would call each agent to let them know, but they would only pay for the ones the owners actually cared to
Right.
have
That's what I
replaced.
mean.
Yeah.
Like,
I can understand if she actually bought the house, and the seller might be a little bit more receptive to it. But like,
Can you imagine
you're just like out showing a house, and it's
Yeah.
like a one-off, and then
that is so bizarre.
I would be like, no, you're replacing that. That's ridiculous.
And also,
my home?
could you imagine having that conversation 80 times?
Yeah. You'd have a script at
Yeah, she'd have a copy and
Sorry.
paste text
Yeah.
she'd just send.
Showed another one of your places.
You know the drill already.
Yep.
Yeah,
That
she had
apple
to have
tree's
had some
gone.
overlap.
Sure, yeah.
That would be one of those clients you'd probably preemptively message the agent, just so you know.
You're probably going to miss some
client is
points.
notorious.
I'm bringing this client out. She does buy and sell things, so there's a chance she'll buy your house. But are there any plants I should?
I steer her away from.
Are your clients sentimental about any plants in the yard?
Yeah. Just trying to get out of a situation here.
My goodness, that is interesting.
Wild. Like you said, Sam, takes all kinds to make this world go round. Takes all
Yeah.
kinds.
I even remember showing clients houses, and there was like fruit trees in the backyard, and they would just go and a couple like grabbed a fruit off the back, and I was like,
I've had that
what are you
happen too.
doing?
Yeah.
Like,
And
it's
I,
not-
felt, I know, I felt bad too. I was like,
I'm
oh
like,
my
"That's
God.
not your fruit?
Yeah.
They grew this fruit.
We're stealing crab apples.
Well, it was more like, it was something more rare. It was like a pear tree or something. It was something that was like not
Well,
like
still, it's like
That's even
weird.
worse.
Yeah.
Like,
oh,
then it's
a
like,
ripe pear. Thank you. Yeah. I'm like,
I feel like if it's a crab apple tree, it's like whatever. They're probably throwing half of them
Yeah,
off of the
exactly.
ground.
Yeah.
Anywaes.
Yeah.
I still felt that way though when they do it. I'm like,
I
I
know.
our apples to take.
Don't touch
Yeah.
it.
What if they needed exactly 2,600 apples for their apple?
They counted them.
Oh.
oh, that is weird.